Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are working on a Volvo EC480D. The customer says that it has a large hydraulic leak and it leaks about 5 to 10 gallons a day, but he can't find the leak. So we're going to take a look and see where the leak's coming from and we'll fix it for him. Let's get to it. I have found the leak. It's this one right here, down here. But to get to that one, we'll have to take off this one, this one, this one, this one, all of them, and change the seals on all of them. So let's go ahead and get to that. I have my wrench set here for this kind of a deal. We use these and my trusty cheater bar. So let's see what size it is. Is that big enough? That's it. First thing, we want to get some of the dirt off of it. It's pretty dirty. Get some of that. This is a caliche pit, so there's lots of dirt out here, and you don't want it in the system. Get it all cleaned off good first. Okay, let me get some spray cleaner to get the rest of the sand off, because that's really bad for the pump. Okay, this is carburetor cleaner. I just use it to blow it off so there won't be any sand falling in the lines. That would destroy the pump. Okay. So this one is 1 5/8. Okay, we're about to need to hold it. Backup wrench. Okay, let's get it out of the way. That seems good. Make sure we get all the sand off of it. Yeah. Oh, I have to take off this one first. Okay. There we go. Oh, the seal's busted. Okay. Looks like someone tried to tighten it. I'm a little excited. Well, let me grab a bigger wrench. Looks like it had a big leak, so rather than change the seals, someone tightened the crap out of it. So we're gonna have to use the breaker bar to get it off. I'll have to remove this one first though. Loosen this one up first. Should come out of there. See that seal? Broken. Somebody tightened the crap out of it. Okay. I have put the seal on here. So what you do is you turn it until it touches, until this O-ring touches the threads. And then you screw it in there to where you want it at. Turn it to where you want it. If you don't adjust it properly, it will leak. So you turn it, and this one is more or less about right here. So you turn it to about right there, where it can fit on properly. And then you tighten this bottom one up here. Once you get it to where you want it at, you tighten the bottom one. Small one here. And you hold this one in place. Then tighten the bottom. If you don't do it correctly, it will definitely leak. Make sure it's clean. Don't want any sand in there. Put this one back on. You try to keep the hose centered and flat until you get it completely hand tightened first. Only hand tighten it all the way on before you tighten it. Now that it's hand tightened, it's all the way on and it's flat up against the seal, then you can tighten it up. Let's go with this one. No need to get excited and over tighten. Okay. Let's put this one back on. short cheater bar. Okay. You want to give it a shot? You want to test it out, see if it leaks?
What's that?
Can we test it out, see if it leaks? Can we test it?
Yeah.
I want to cut it on for a little bit, see if it leaks. Good to go, no leaks. Okay, we ran it and tested it out. It's dry, no leaks, no sprays. So let's get our tools together and go to the next one. I want to thank everyone for watching my video. Before you leave, please hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. Have a good one. Until the next one, peace.